Hi everyone, Zita Vass here, and I'm here to introduce this amazing new hair product, the DR.Hair Repair, DR.ForHAIR. I want to introduce their Absolute Silk Damage line. It consists of a shampoo, conditioner, and a serum. As the name speaks for itself, these products will repair your damaged hair from things like dyes and perms. These two can be used as a daily product, the shampoo and conditioner. But when your hair needs a little extra TLC, I go for the serum. It's great to apply it all over. You just need to give your hair a little bit more attention. See? Now you can have beautiful hair like mine. Now this is the phytotherapy line, which contains a shampoo, conditioner, and tonic. Now if you have a weak and sensitive scalp like I do, this botanical line is perfect for you. Treat your sensitive scalp with these two natural products right here. Along with these, if you want to give your hair some extra care, reach for this tonic. Just apply it directly to your scalp, spray it in, dab it so you make sure it really gets in there. And this will help alleviate and moisturize your delicate scalp. Now this combination of Daily Oil Defensor, FOLLIGEN Spot Effector, Easy Swab, and Scalp Refreshing Spray to help you get that business formal look. So there are two things aside from wardrobe that are important, and that's makeup and hair. But when you just don't have the time, these four will come in handy. And the best part about it is you can use it anywhere, anytime. When using the Daily Oil Defensor, you want to shake the product good, and then apply liberally on your scalp. Next up, you want to use the FOLLIGEN Spot Effector. This one, you just gently apply and work it in to any irritated areas you might have to protect from exterior pollutants. Next up, we have the FOLLIGEN Easy Swab. This product comes in 2 packets, and you want to swab across the hairline first. When you're done massaging that in, you want to go for the serum. You want to apply that all over to give your hair that vitalized look. When you need to cool down or your scalp is feeling extra frustrated, reach for the refreshing spray. You simply shake it up, give it a good spray, dab it in, and let it absorb. This set contains FOLLIGEN Shampoo, the FOLLIGEN Scalp Vital Ampoule, the Sea Salt Scaler, and the Kaolin Scalp Pack. Let me introduce you to 2 separate occasions. For daily use, we have the FOLLIGEN Shampoo and the FOLLIGEN Scalp Vital Ampoule. If you've got thin hair like mine, then this is your solution. Just apply about 10 drops to the top of your scalp and let it naturally run down. And these 2 right here are specifically designed for special treatment. When using the Sea Salt Scaler, you want to first get your hair wet. Then you're going to take the product and apply it directly on the hairline. So start scrubbing for about 3 minutes. That way you can get out all the residue and make sure you're super clean. Afterwards, you're going to wash it out and go in for the Kaolin Scalp Pack. So here we have the Kaolin Scalp Pack. You just apply the product. To soothe the damaged scalp, you want to really work it through and then just give it a wash when you're done. You're good to go. Well, I hope you enjoy these products and they give you the same silky smooth feel like they did for my hair. Until then, I'm going to head out and I'll see you guys later. Bye!